Hello friends, welcome to the year 2022. I'm sure you're starting this year with lots of energy and enthusiasm to learn new things. Myself Tapas Adhikari, welcoming you to my YouTube channel. The year 2021 was quite challenging for all of us. The pandemic was all-time high and we could not do a lot of stuff we usually used to do. However, it was very exciting to know the journey of the developer community. We have given a lot of time, lot of effort to learn something new and share a lot of stuff with the world. So that's a great trend we want to continue in this year as well. In 2021, I launched this YouTube channel. Actually, it was a litmus test. I wanted to know the kind of content that I want to produce, whether you will be really excited about it, you will be really want to learn about it, and guess what I found? I found it that you really like that kind of content that I produce. You provided a lot of comments, you like the content, and many of you chose to subscribe to this channel as well. So a big thanks from my side to you. It really means a lot. Now, here is a promise. So I'm now more motivated and more devoted to create quality content going forward. So 2022 is going to be a storm of content from various different areas. I want to get into the fundamentals of JavaScript, want to explain them quite well, quite easily, put behind my years of experience and try to explain them in the most beginner friendly way possible. We want to cover React, we want to cover Next.js, tools like Git, GitHub, VS Code, and then we also want to talk about career, building career like content creation, doing projects from beginner to intermediate to advanced level of projects, right? So video of all that kind that we want to create, right? So what is the focus area? The focus area is of course this: JavaScript, HTML, Node.js, CSS, React, Next.js, Git, GitHub, content creation, career, project ideas and things like that. So are you with me? If you are with me, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So once you subscribe to the channel, you come to know like the videos that I am producing. You come to know like, the notification whenever I post a new video, and that will be great thing, right? And I'll be feeling that I'm really successful only when you get a lot of benefit out of my experience, my knowledge, the one that I'm actually sharing on this YouTube channel, right? So thank you very much, and let's get you on my YouTube very soon. Before we wrap up, I want to leave you with few thoughts. These are the thoughts that you can think about or execute this year. Dream big. Plan towards this dream to achieve it. Work hard towards this dream. Stay consistent. Once you become consistent, once you stay on it, you are most likely to achieve it. Be ready to fail. You will fail. There is no way that you will be successful always, but don't give up easily. And whenever you are successful, celebrate your wins. Connect with like-minded. Learn from them. Share your thoughts. Be proud of who you are. You are an unique individual. You don't have to be like others. So be proud of what you are and who you are. Tell your stories. Everybody in this world are interested to know the story of somebody else. So make them learn from your success, make them learn from your failure. So tell your stories as well. With that, I want to tell you bye. And again, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because once you subscribe, you get to know about the content that I'm producing. Stay healthy, stay well, and stay connected. Thank you very much.